Hi, I had this 2002 RAV4, it's about 140,000 miles already. And every time I put in drive or reverse, this noise come up, a lot of noise, so I don't know where it comes from yet. And I thought maybe something manifold here, but right now it's in park, so the noise not existing yet. So right now it's in reverse, it's the noise. It's kind of violent from the manifold here. And I know the car out really bad. Don't know what happened here. I tried to check many other things, but that's not find anything yet. So based on this, please can someone help me? Thanks.